Hello friends, today we'll look at banana plant cultivation in our home gardens as well as in agricultural lands, how it can be done. So banana plant is an annual crop. It takes about 1 year for the complete fruit formation and harvest. Banana plants, first we'll look at banana plants growth in a home setup. So banana plants generally should be planted in a well sunlit area for good growth and fruit production. Okay, homegrown banana plants also need good nutrition once a month. Initially, during the growing period, they need a nitrogen based rich fertilizer, which are used filter coffee grounds and tea grounds come in very handy. Filter coffee grounds also attract earthworms and also helps to absorb some heavy minerals in the soil. How do we start giving this? First, remove any weeds around the base of the plant. Then give this nitrogen based manure once a month. Once the plant starts flowering, what we have to do is switch to a high potassium based fertilizer like rabbit manure, fish amino acid, onion garlic peels, banana peel fertilizer, etc. And the most important part is watering. Water slowly and deeply once in 2 or 3 days during the warmer or summer months, and even lesser during the winters. Generally banana plants do not need much of pruning, but removing the old and dry leaves will help stimulate lot of growth. This is for the home setup. Now going to an agricultural point of view, according to Mr. Veera, you have to start giving manure to the plant once 4 leaves developed in the new sapling. Once 4 leaves develop, and he gives organic manure like vermicasting, azospirillum, phosphobacteria, etc. The most important thing that he says is removing the new plants, the new saplings which develop at the base of the banana plant, in order for the parent plant to get the complete nutrition and go to flowering and fruiting stage. So this is very important. And the second phase of manure will be given once the plant reaches half feet height. If you do not remove the base plants, what happens is 3 to 4 plants will grow together and it gets very crowded, and the nutrition gets split between all the plants, and it reduces the flowering. It reduces the flowering and fruiting. So it is very important to remove the base plants. And the second, once the plant reaches about 8 months of stage, you can allow the new growths to continue to grow, because the plant would have already reached the harvest stage. And once you harvest the fruits and the main plant, the parent plant, will be cut off, then you can allow the secondary plants to grow into new plants. What you can do is you can also remove the other base plants and plant it in other areas. And the watering which he follows is weekly thrice during the summer months. So all of you all give it a try.